Yeah, if you're going to start somewhere, may as well be somewhere nice. At Little Bay at the moment, a local little beach. And yeah, going to head up Yarrahapney, Grassy, probably over to Scott's. A bit of a check out. Check out Yarrahapney actually. There's Rainforest creeks in there. They've been dry as toast for about, I don't know, well, months and months. And we had 160 mil, 150 mil of rain. So they should be all running again. We'll go check them out. They're pretty cool rock formations, these ones. Anyway, we'll keep going. See what we can see. All right, we're out of here. Beautiful little beach. Hell, loaded with kangaroos too. Pretty cruisy life up here. Lots of grass, shade, left in peace. Alright, let's go wandering north. Go up to Grassy Head first, I'd say. Haven't been there for a while. One of them nice little backwaters. Quiet little headland. Getting there now. Probably another 5 or what do we got? I don't know, 4 Ks. 4 Ks to Grassy. So we'll go in and have a quick look around this headland, but when we come out, we will end up going up this road. That one there takes you across the top. Across the top of Yarra. But for now, into Grassy. Check out the ocean. But no, it's a nice place. Such an Australian sign. Snakes sighted in this area. Always is this time of year. Just got to look. Try not to tread on one. Cool. First look at the beach. Bit of a nor'easter blowing, a little bit of swell. Now we get up here. Somehow. She's up, all up. Bit of a goat track. Nothing too bad. All right, let's go. Still going up. Whew. That's a cool view. Pretty impressive. Chill out a bit in the grass, I think. On the grass at Grassy. That's nice. Give it height. Beautiful. Awesome. All right, go look for this rainforest stuff. See how the creeks are flowing. Been, like I said before, had about 130 to 150 mil, depending on where you, or who you talk to, of rain. So these creeks should be running a bit. They were as dry as toast, so this shall be interesting. Yeah, pretty dry sort of forest this first bit. Pretty high and lumpy. Then it eventually winds its way back down into the lush stuff. Should be pretty bloody, should be running really. So Yarrabini National Park and Total Fireband. She's you see it's been backburned a bit. She's yeah, just a hot dry sort of bush, hot dry environment. There you go. It's rare to see anybody when I go out riding. So whoever you are on the T7, g'day. It's a pretty contrasting change once you get out of that high stuff. Just slowly winding way down. It's different vegetation, red clay, cooler. Alright, a little bit of up. Yeah, lots of ferns and palms. She's nice. Whoever keeps it in good condition, national parks I guess. But it is a bit of a touristy spot, which is understandable. So this little spot's called the Pines. It's not hard to work out why. All you gotta do is look up. So, yeah, so apparently they were planted here a long time ago when the logging was full on. But this thing's pretty cool. Check out this. Some big old timbers here. It's pretty creative, this one. Full mosaic tiles. Koala. Yeah, no, she's creative. Built to last too. But no, definitely a nice picnic area. Especially barbecue over here, which is good because there's a fire man. Nice big tables. But yeah, here's the old Barbies. She's a beauty, nice and clean too, which is good. Nice little shelter sheds. Over here there's a area for a fire. That's pretty cool, this. That's good. Just kick the plate over. If you wanted to use the plate, it's solid. But no, nice little spot. And everywhere you look, this will be a weird angle, is pines. Nostril cam. Yeah, a little rainforest walk around there, 300-400 metres. Takes you down the creek. I'll go down there. That's how you get to check out the world a bit better. Probably a few leeches too. Hopefully you don't run into them. Alright, let's go to the creek. Yeah, you certainly don't have to walk far to disappear. Probably only gone 100 metres. It's just a world of birds, leaves, a wind blowing through the leaves, jungle of palms. So we're not far from the creek. We'll keep wandering until we find a nice little pool. Beautiful spot. Water. You don't have to go far and it's back into the sort of dry forest again. slow down a bit. Yeah, a couple of K's. Then a Rainforest peters out. And she's back to, well, whatever you want to call this. Nice little creek. This one's running. Pretty well the same system after these. Way creek, look at that. Beautiful. Nice little pool. Good to see. Actually, this might be a different system, but beautiful. Get some more top up rain and keep them going. So this is what I call a view when you get up here. Look at that, eh? Awesome. Blue water, mountains, white sand. I go this way down to the old ocean. Look at that, eh? You can tell summer's just about upon us with these nor'east breezes. Beautiful. It's a bloody good looking area. There's some just off there, only about a kilometre, are all the sort of mackerel reefs where I used to fish a lot. Snapper and Spaniards and spotties. They come pretty close in here. Alright, I'm going to go up to the headland. But yeah, great little park right beside the beach. But book early, she gets kind of full. A few people around now, even outside of holiday season. Bloody, see how lucky I am. Might be able to get right at the end. Look at that, front row parking. Can't get any better than that. Ooh, nearly there. How's that for a view? That is awesome. She's pretty panoramic. Might go a little further out. Get a bit higher, check out the world around the corner. Talk about some upcoming plans, some gear aboard. More of that later. Alrighty, let's go to Stewarts Point, grab a feed. Bloody beautiful day, that water. Even the colours impressing me. Alright, burger time. Starving I is. So hopefully the next ride will be a camping ride. Probably, I was going to go this weekend, or the one we just had, but just rained and rained. So a bit of luck, next weekend I can get out there and test out my new tent and airbed. So yeah, I bought a couple of new things, so hopefully that'll make a difference. They'll be lighter, packed down smaller, so we'll find out. I'll give you a rundown on them when I get them. Alright, that might just about do it. I'm gonna sit here for a bit and then yeah, slowly head home. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers guys.